how to add a question in Reddit. So let's get started. First of all, open up the reddit.com and make sure that you're logged in with your account. If not, simply log into your account. Now, once you're logged in and you get to your home page, now navigate to the top right corner, and from this menu bar you will have an option as create with the plus icon that says create post. So click on that. Now you will get to this create post page where you can add your question. So first of all, you can add a title there where you can add your question. You can simply add your question, any question you like to ask in Reddit. And under this section that says body, you can add the description or the body for your question. Now you can edit this text as well. You can either make it bold, italic, or strike through, or many more option here. You can add bullets as well. You can have list as well, or you can add link as well. Now once you're done with that, here you can select a community. Click on this drop down menu and select your community that you would like to ask your question to. Here I have this community, and once you're done, simply click on post. Now once you post it, your question will be added in Reddit, and then you will get response to your questions. So that's how you can ask question in Reddit, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.